In the previous video, we have shown you how to make shopping receipt with barcode. And in here, how to turn the barcode into the QR code so we can scan using our smartphone later. First, you need to download the QR code library in here. You can download this file. We put link in the description. All the source code also you can download in here. This is messaging toolkit.qrcode. We need to add this as reference on our project. So we can click the project and choose add project reference. After that, you can browse and then point into your library that you just download, and you can click add in here and click OK. You may need to remove this. If this source code doesn't work for you, you can remove this and you can adding again with the library. After that, we can go to our project, and this is for barcode code in here. So we need to turn this into the QR code. To create QR code, we need to declare variable QR code in here as new messaging toolkit QR code in here as codec QR code encoder in here. We will try to scan the QR code using our smartphone later in the end of this video, of course. We need to using try also. This is handle error. The try is very important because if something error, our program is not quit itself. We can continue if error happen in here. So it's very important you add a try and exception. We need to declare variable again for image in here as image, and QR code image is new bitmap. It's more simpler rather than we create the barcodes in the yesterday. Just type QR code like this dot encode. This is the text or string you want to appear in the QR code. In the barcode yesterday, we are using ID of invoice. Okay, so we can just copy this. You can also customize this string. It's better using variable. You can also fill this QR code with something information like URL or etc. This is draw image, not string. Draw image for QR code image. Convert to integer. This is for the position e.bigbounds .width. Okay, I'm using 60 because the QR code is usually like square. Okay, not like barcode in the yesterday. So all of this information is just same a number with 60. Okay, head to, this is for 60, also 60 like this. And this is, I think, at this bracket. Okay, now we can try to running our project. Oh yes, this is not complete because we need also to change these values of the string thanks for shopping. We add some value approximately 120 with 135 and try to running. Hope the position of the text is expectedly coffee 1, and this is 400 for example, and tea 2, this is like this, sugar 4, and like this. Try to print. Voila, this is the shopping receipt with QR code. Okay, like I promised before, let's try to scan our QR code using our smartphone. This is my smartphone, and let's try to scan this QR code. Must have the invoice ID, this content. Okay, let's open QR code in here. This is our project. Voila. Okay, it's right. You can see here. Okay, that's all tutorial how to make shopping receipt with QR code so we can scan with our smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you. Oh, don't forget you can download this source code and the library link on the description. Bye bye.